Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. Pisces, this is your reading for the next 3 months. This is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. Uh, in this reading, we'll see what are the general messages, what are the love messages you need to know for the next 3 months. Uh, If you're interested in getting done a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section, Pisces. I'll appreciate if you hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Okay. All right, Pisces. So let's see what do you need to know for the next 3 months. Pisces, what do you need to know for the next 3 months? Pisces, what do you need to know for the next 3 months? What do you need to know for the next 3 months, Pisces? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the next 3 months? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the next 3 months? General messages and love messages you need to know for the next 3 months. What are the general messages and love messages you need to know for the next 3 months? We have the World, Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacle, the Ten of Cups, the Hierophant, the High Priestess. Interesting. Bottom of the deck, we have Three of Swords. Okay. So, Pisces, you might be dealing, or you will deal with a Taurus, with another Pisces or Cancer, Scorpio. Uh, Fixed signs Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. I'm also hearing Virgo, by the way. Okay, Libra. You might be seeing a lot of 555, lot of 777, 717. I don't know why. I'm kind of hearing 717, and whenever I do readings, the tarot readings, the number 717 flashes in front of me. Okay. Uh, you might be seeing a lot of 222, lot of 1111, 111, 333, right? Pisces, what is the overall energy that you need to know for the next 3 months? And then we'll move on to we'll try to deep dive into the messages, like love messages, your career, finances, and etc. Um, I do feel for the next 3 months, there is a lot of divine intervention that is happening. Okay, and you will see a lot of signs and synchronicities, Pisces. It's pretty likely that uh, you know first of all, I do see that there is a certain kind of glow up that is happening. Okay, you will notice that many people are looking at you, many people are noticing you, many people are admiring you, many people are showing interest in you, or there is a sense of appreciation through their talks or through their body language, or admiration on their faces. I also feel like you are becoming more healthy. Okay, especially I'm hearing like this is a specific message. If at all you are struggling with gut related problems, digestion related problems, and those problems are getting sought out. Okay, those problems are definitely getting sought out. uh, they will get sorted out. And one of the reason, let me tell you, Pisces, if at all you were facing any kind of health issues, those health issues were happening to you because you had absorbed someone else's energy. Okay, and their energy was impacting your energy, especially if at all there was a lower back pain, especially, or even in the shoulder blades were paining, or digestion issues, stomach related issues, whatever it is. Okay, knee pain, etc., joint pains. You had definitely absorbed someone else's energy, and over the period of the next 3 months you will notice that you are cleansing your life of this person's energy. You're removing this person's energy from your life. Okay, so I can clearly see that maybe for some of you, you had attracted evil eye, or you had attracted, or you had absorbed someone's negative energy, or probably in the past you had posted a lot of photographs of yours on social media where you were looking really fantastic, and after uploading those photographs, all of a sudden you felt sick and you started having health related issues, a lot of migraine issues, digestion issues, and etc etc. You also felt bouts of depression. There were times where you were feeling good, and there were times where you were feeling very low. Okay, this was not your energy. First of all, there was a lot of evil eye that came towards you, a lot of negativity that came towards you. And other than that, I also feel like you had absorbed someone's negative energy, and that is why there were certain issues that were going on. That is why you felt like life is a big struggle. Everything had slowed down. That's what you felt, right? So over the period of the next 3 months, you are going to feel liberated. You will feel like some sort of heaviness has gone away. You will feel like the pain that you were going through, if at all you were dealing with any kind of a heartbreak, or if at all you were dealing with any kind of pain from previous relationships or certain incidences that were not favorable, and etc. So any kind of heavy feelings related to past incidences, if you were nurturing those feelings inside you, those feelings are going to go away. You are healing yourself from any kind of heavy energy, negative energy, any kind of evil eye. And because of that, I do feel like your health is improving. The confidence is coming back. There are many other things that are changing. You will also notice that unnecessary things or unnecessary people are getting removed from your life. Okay, like divine is pushing you in such a phase where unnecessary people and unnecessary situations, they won't be able to reach out to you. Okay, even if they want to, they won't be able to reach out to you. And you will notice that things are getting dissolved, and you are getting into a new energy where you are literally forgetting anyone and everyone from the past who had caused you a lot of pain, or anyone and everyone from the past who should not be a part of your life in the future. Okay, who should not be, who should no more be a part of your life, right? Those people, those situations are getting removed, and even you will feel like you will not feel any kind of urgent desire to remember them. Okay, so that's what I see. There is a new life, there is a new cycle that you are beginning, and there are a lot of good things that are happening. And again, I do feel like you're coming across as heavily protected for the next 3 months. Your ancestors are closely watching you. They are making sure that you're moving in the right direction, you're walking down the right path, you are being guided, mentored, and a lot of intuitive guidance is going to come for the next 3 months. And apart from that, a lot of universal intervention is there. There is something big that is about to happen, and that is why there is a lot of universal energy that is being shown in your cards. All right, so this is what is overall theme. Now let's try to deep dive into the messages. Let's talk about your love and relationships for the next 3 months. Okay, when it comes to love and relationships, Pisces, you are completing a major cycle. Okay, you are definitely, see, I mean, I'm not kidding. Look at the cards. We have the world card, which is a very significant card, indicating that you're completing a big cycle and you're moving towards whom? You're moving towards your divine counterpart, Pisces. Okay, the person with whom you will have everything, the person with whom you will have a marriage, you'll get into a committed situation. People who want to have kids, you're going to have kids with this person. Okay, now this is what uh, like whatever is destined for you is going to happen in the next 3 months. Okay, if you're destined to be with someone from the past, if that person is supposed to work on himself or herself, and they are supposed to come back in your life all over again, they will come back. They will come back as a different version of himself or herself. They will come back in your life as a better version. If the past person is your divine counterpart, if the past person is someone with whom you are supposed to have everything, that person will come back. It depends upon whatever is destined for you, whatever is fated for you. If you're supposed to meet someone new, if you're supposed to be with someone new, if you're supposed to have this 10 of cups situation with someone new, if your divine counterpart is someone that you haven't met yet, then you're going to be with someone new. Okay, but the next 3 months are like indicating that there is a very 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 strong possibility that you're going to end up with your divine counterpart. You're going to end up with someone with whom you'll marry, and it's going to be a very instant connection. But at the same time, it is also possible, like before meeting this person, you might date a lot of people. Seven of Pentacles, I do see you checking out options. Okay, you're moving on from a certain situation. The past person will be missing you a lot. The past person will also try to get in touch with you. You got hurt for so many days and months and years and weeks. Now it's time for this person to go through their karmic punishments, and they are going to be severely hurt. They will see you move on if something that is supposed to happen. Okay, if you're supposed to move on and if you're supposed to be with someone else, they're going to see that, they're going to watch that, and they will be tremendously hurt over that. Okay, because that is the karmic punishment for them. Ace of Wands, yes, there is going to be a new passionate beginning. Now let's see, universe, please tell us more about the new person that is coming towards Pisces, the moon. You might meet this person during moon cycles, some significant moon cycles like new moon and full moon. This person might come from a distance, is going to be a king or a queen of romance. They will not hesitate in letting you know how much they really like you and love you. And they are coming across as someone who is very adventurous. Once you guys click, this person will be like, you know what, let's go here, let's go there, I want to travel the world with you, I want to do this with you, I want to do that with you, I want to do a lot of things with you. Okay, so this is something that this person will say, and this person is going to be very very loyal. It is also quite possible, Pisces, that this person might be younger than you. Okay, Three of Cups. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of fun with this person. I think so. You will have a very good friendship with this person, Pisces, and that is going to be a strong foundation for both of you. The friendship, the bond that you will have with this person, the friendship bond that you will have with this person, it is going to be a very strong foundation for this romantic relationship that you will build with this person. I also see for some of you, this person might propose you, and this person might propose you somewhere on the beach for some of you. Okay, Knight of Wands. Yeah, you will have some really passionate moments with this person. You guys are a wish fulfillment for one another, and I do see like there is a lot of drunken sex that's gonna happen. Again, I'm hearing on the beach. I don't know what's about the beach. I don't know, but there is something about the beach. Okay, you guys, your passion will be at its peak somewhere near the water. You guys are gonna travel, and you guys are gonna stay at places where it's gonna be sea facing villa, or probably a beach facing resort or something of that sort. And you know, it's the ocean waves or the something about the nature. It's gonna drive your libidos for you and this person. Okay, and the Queen of Swords, for some of you, I'm hearing that uh, it's possible, Pisces, that maybe this person's mother might not approve of this connection initially. Okay, or this person might be a divorcee or something of that sort, and their ex-wife or whoever this ex person is, that person will not appreciate this connection, but they won't have any kind of power regarding this. Okay, I mean, they might do whatever they would want to, but this connection is pretty strong, and they won't be able to shake this connection, whoever this third person is. Now let's see what you need to know when it comes to your career and your finances for the career and your finances for the next 3 months, Pisces. Let's see what you need to know when it comes to career and your finances. Ooh, you are raking in some money, Pisces. I do feel like you're starting with a very favorable period. The next 3 months are coming across as very very favorable, Pisces. Okay, the wheel is changing. If at all there were any kind of struggles, those struggles are going away. And I also see that you're becoming this person, like, if you do not, understand what I'm saying, or if you do not agree with whatever I'm trying to tell you, don't work with me. Okay, because I'm going to do and I'm going to implement what I truly think and believe in. If you want to be with me, support my goals and my vision and my ideas. If you disagree with me, you can be on your way, something of that sort. That's what I'm getting, because I do feel like you are going to come up with such classic examples and sorry, you're going to come up with such amazing and classic ideas, business related ideas, and you would want to implement those ideas and make in some money from those ideas, and people will be jealous of that. That's what I'm getting. Or maybe there is something, some changes that you want to implement, and people will be jealous of you. That's what I'm getting. And they will try to give you suggestions to distract you away from your goal, and that will be very apparent and that will be easy to understand for you. And you will be like, if you want to be with me, agree with whatever I'm saying or be on your way, something of that sort. Okay, I think so. You're also getting closer to your spiritual awakening, or maybe there is someone that you're going to meet who will who will kind of trigger some spiritual awakening. You're going to meet someone through your career who will trigger some spiritual awakening. I feel like this is a senior person. Okay, but they will kind of identify something within you, and they will guide you in some way. Also, Pisces, now let's see, if you have anyone on your mind, let's see what this person thinks and feels about you. What are their current thoughts about you, or what are your thoughts about that person? Isolation, leave me alone, I'm not interested. Maybe this is what you're trying to convey to this person. Confession, I feel jealous and anger because I love you deeply. Someone from the past is still madly in love with you, Pisces. I feel jealous and anger because I love you deeply. Wow. Spine, collecting information about you. Interesting, interesting. Someone is on your mind, and that's why I told you, right? If someone from the past is still destined to be a part of your life, some of you will be with the past person. Final destination. There is no one before or after. You're the only one. Interesting. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time and enjoy the reading. And if you're interested in the extended reading, link is in description box and comment section. If you're interested in getting done a private reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Details are in description box and comment section. Pisces, bye bye and take care.